For the title, we have High Fashionista. Now, this outfit was inspired by the many shades and colors of blue. To start off with the outfit, we have a knitted blue beret. The shirt is a sweater knitted material. To go underneath it is a black tank top, or it can just be a strap attached to the shirt. For some class to the outfit, we have a black leather type belt that wraps around the waist area. For pants, we have dark wash jeans that are faded in the thigh area. These are slouch boots that are scrunched at the top of the boot. These may be hard to make, so it would just be okay if they were just plain black boots. That was it for High Fashionista. Thanks for watching!